Hello there, welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing the unboxing of a Casio watch. So the review will be done, the unboxing will be done in both English and Sabahan language, Sabahan Malay language. Okay, so the watch itself, is not this one. This is a different one. It's a different watch. Is this CASIO MTP-VD01L-7B. Okay, that's the one over there with leather strap and analog watch. And the price for this the price is about 7680, sorry, 7680 ringgit. Shipping is 557, so altogether 82 ringgit 0.37. Okay, right, so let's go to the unboxing now. Okay, this is the box. All right, this is the box. So unbox it. Mari kita unbox dulu dia. Oke, mari unbox. Kita unbox dia, kasih koyak dari tepi. Oh. Let's unbox this. Oh, I think this one is really difficult to unbox. So we're gonna use this scissor to take it off. Nah, tengok, ini daripada Shopee, Post Laju and Shopee. So there are so many layers, so just go cut through it. All right, packaging itself is good, and I think there is a box inside. Ada kotak di dalam nih. Okay. So we are now in the inner layer of the box. Oh, this is really irritating. So let me just cut through again. Okay, show me, there is another one here to cut. Susah betul ini, senang lagi unboxing tumpung. Okay, I think I got it. So see there. So I got it. Of course, there is a brown box inside. There's a brown box inside. If you can look at it, okay, over there. All right, brown box. So I'm going to cut the whole plastic cover. Okay, so now we have a box. We have a box. I think this is the top one. So I'm going to cut through the sellotape. Macam mana sa English, okay kah? Jangan sajalah tergunting tangan kan. Jangan tergunting tangan. Kada tergunting atun turu. Nggak ada pengino matumpung. Okay, now, alright. So, that's it. Oh, there's the box. There's the Casio box. Look at it. Casio box. Well, this is really wrapped securely because the box, the smaller box inside is also wrapped with plastic. So there's one more task, final touch, just to go through this, cut through the plastic. Okay, and there we are. Okay, nasanang namigid na matumpong ko unboxing ito. Okay, now look at the box itself. Alright, the Casio box, but I think there is it's not a hard box, it's an ordinary box. The writing Casio with the branding Casio there. Okay, yeah, okay, let's have a look what's inside. Oh, wow, this, okay, it's not there, but here on the side of it. Nah, kamu tengok nih, nah punya lah cantik Casio. You see that? This is the watch itself. MTP-VD01L-7BVUDF. Okay, that's the model number. Casio. Okay, this one. I think I have a manual over here. Alright, so this is the most important thing. I have a manual. This is user guide, which is in so many languages. This is in Portuguese, I think, I believe. And of course, you should have in English too, but not in Kadazan Dusun. No? This is the warranty card. Okay, warranty card. Alright, and this is the warranty certificate from the seller, from the vendor, from G People, which I already bought several watches from them. Huh? It's a good, very good recommended seller from Shopee. Okay, so let's have a look at the watch itself. Wow, this is good. Time is 6:28. 6:28. Okay, and it's 21st today, so the time is right, the date is right too. Okay, so basically this is the watch. Just take off the plastic wrapping on top. There is it. Very beautiful. Yep. Lumis na matikya. Alright, this is the crown. I like the second hand, the red hand. It's really good. You see it? Did it glow? Okay, it's glowing. Once more. Okay, it's glowing. Alright, so we unstrap it. This is the strap and buckle, and I believe this is a real leather. It's a really real leather. Look at that. Just look at camera a little bit. Okay. This watch look magnificent, but it's only costs about $68. Sorry, about $75. Okay, now look at the back. Look at the back. This is a stainless steel back. I couldn't get the camera focusing there. Okay, right. How about the branding? It's gonna get it. Get the model number here. Can you see the model number? Okay, MTP over there. I can see it. MTP. I couldn't get the camera focusing on it, but it's definitely there. MTP. Okay, right. So this is it. This is the watch. So what this watch will be definitely suitable for work. If you're going to work, any office work probably, and definitely not suitable for outdoor. Kaya ang nakapitias ng man kayo gunad may pagyamat tumpong. Bilang may tumpong nga may pagyam may hilo di talon may pagaso. Memang tidak boleh lah kalau kamu bawa ini pergi memburu kah pergi menyelam boleh juga, boleh pakai sebab ini waterproof for about, let me have a look. Waterproof for, this is waterproof, of course this is waterproof, but I couldn't get the writing. Water resistant 5 bar. 5 bar means 50 meters. Water resistant 5 bar, 50 meters waterproof. So mila kasari lah. Kaya memang boleh nih, memang boleh bawa untuk pergi menyelam lah 50 meter. Tapi sayang sekali sebab nanti kalau basah dia punya leather. Cantik nih. Jadi kalau macam kena hujan saja boleh lah, basah-basah sekali-sekala boleh. Tapi kalau kau bawa betul untuk menyelam, pergi mana-mana, memang tidak boleh, sayang dia punya leather strap. Look elegant. This watch look elegant. And very nice. So I'll be giving another review of this. I'll probably after 1 or 2 months. So how it goes. So this is just a comparison with another Casio that I have. This is the Casio AE1300, I believe. This one is of course made from plastic, PU. And have a look at the comparison. You see, thickness. In terms of size, there are not much difference. The other one is square, the other one is round. Okay. All right. Got it. Okay, so I will have another round show you on this watch. Look at that. Leather strap. I think this is the crystal is made of crystal glass, I think. Well, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not really an expert in watches. All right. Okay, so that's it. I'll try to put this on. Look at that. Look elegant. Kalau misalnya kepikir ini ngam lah ini, memang ngam. Kalau pergi mengurat, oh memang dapat semandak yang rangap lah, yang tiada gigi. Okay, so that's it. It's really fit and I really like this watch. It's a Casio, inexpensive Casio, and probably it's one of my collection now. I have a few watches, some are very cheap, which I'm going to give a review also. Scheme watches, each one of my favorites too, apart from Casio. Okay. Definitely one of my favorite. Bah. So ini sajalah saya punya review. So this is my review, my last. This is not the last review. There's probably another few more reviews after this. I'll get back to you in 2 months and have a review. I'll definitely give another review after using this for 2 months. Bah, ya, selepas 2 bulan saya buat review lagi apa macam bagaimana pengkurah macam keadaan jamnya selepas 2 bulan. Adakah hilang kah? Adakah rosak kah? Ya, saya akan buat satu lagi review. Thank you very much. Sekian dan terima kasih. Amen.